In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock your formulas in Google Sheets. If you've ever dragged a formula down a column and watched your results break, you're not alone. That usually happens because Google Sheets assumes you want every cell reference to move as the formula moves. That's helpful most of the time, but not when part of your formula should always point to the same cell, like a fixed tax rate. Let's walk through a clear example so you can see exactly what's going on and how to fix it. Imagine you have a list of items, maybe a laptop, a mouse, and a keyboard, and a tax rate stored in cell C2 set to 12%. You write a formula in the first row to calculate the price with tax, referencing that tax rate in C2. When you drag the formula down to fill the rest of the rows, Sheets tries to be smart and shifts every reference down, including your tax rate. Now the mouse row might be looking at C3 instead of C2, which is an empty cell. That's why totals suddenly look wrong. To fix this, you'll lock the tax rate reference so it never moves. Click into your formula and find the C2 reference. You can do this two ways. First, you can manually add dollar signs. Type a dollar sign before the column letter and another before the row number, so C2 becomes C2. Those dollar signs tell Google Sheets to keep that reference fixed, no matter where the formula is copied or dragged. Or, here's the quick shortcut. Click directly on the C2 part of the formula and press F4. Sheets automatically adds the dollar signs for you. Pressing F4 cycles through different lock types, but for this example, you want the full lock, which shows as C2. Now, when you drag the formula down the column, everything works exactly as expected. The prices for the laptop, mouse, and keyboard all update for their respective rows, and every one of them still points to the same 12% tax rate in C2. You get accurate, consistent results without rewriting the formula. One last pro tip to protect your work. Once you've locked the formula, you can also prevent accidental edits. Right-click the cell or the range that contains your finalized formulas and choose Protect Range. This helps stop collaborators from typing over your calculations by mistake. That's it. Lock with dollar signs or F4, drag with confidence, and protect your formulas for peace of mind.